Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And as you know, because of the new meme coins entering the market from behind of Trump and Melania coins, so of course we saw some drops or some bleeding in the altcoins, and that because of the move of the capitals from the altcoins mostly into those meme coins currently because they are trendy. And let's see what's gonna happen then. I mean, what is the insight for the price action here for FET? Now, as you know, on the daily chart, we're looking at 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and of course, maybe wave C towards the downside after an expanding flat, right? This is your ultimate bearish scenario where you want to see a wave C in 5 waves toward the downside. Especially that you have a contracting diagonal here as a leading diagonal, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 towards the downside, of course, reaching around the 1.618 at 0.17 cent. Now, this is your ultimate bearish scenario, of course. That is another lower bearish, not lower, I mean less impact bearish scenario, which is, of course, WXY with a W 3 waves toward the downside, X 3 waves toward the upside as zigzag, and 3 waves for Y, hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, at 0.46 cent. This is a less, of course, impact bearish scenario, and then, of course, moving toward the upside again. Your bullish scenario. Bullish scenario is, of course, a running flat, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, finishing a short wave C with a 5 finished wave ending diagonal, and finishing exactly in the middle of the structure, which is, of course, a running flat normally does it. Now, after this, you would like to see higher prices. This is exactly what we saw, and it can be impulsive, where we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wave 2 probably, if we were very bullish from there, and we would like to see wave 3 toward the upside. However, this did not happen. Now, the scenario of wave 2 might has expanded, meaning we have still probably the same wave 1, right, as an impulse 1, and then wave 2 expanded in time, meaning A, B, and a C. And it's very obvious that we already, I think, figured out that this might be an ending diagonal since our last analysis, and it is unfolding perfectly actually. So as you can see, we are very close to finish this ending diagonal for this flat or expanding flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and probably because we took the low, I think, let's check. Yes, we took the low. We took the low for an ending diagonal. Now probably maybe one more leg toward the downside, but we took, of course, the low already, so it is very probably that this wave C has or might ended very, very soon. And don't forget, we are very, very close to the perfect level for a wave 2, the 0.618 fib level at $1, which is also psychological number, meaning from this level we are very, very critical, of course, to move or exploding toward the upside for FET again in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Higher possibility in this chart right now is the bullish scenario to move toward the upside. And basically on the 1 hour chart, I mean, there is not so much to change here. I mean, your daily is very clear. But yeah, we can see, of course, we were looking for this impulse toward the upside. It didn't happen. And then we said, okay, it's an extended wave 2 here. Of course, I have to update. It has been a long time. I did in 1 hour analysis for FET. However, here we go. This is your ending diagonal where you have a 1, 2 zigzag, 3. Well, your wave 3 didn't took the high. Therefore, now on the 1 hour chart, it showed it much clearly, right? Your wave 3, this one is not your wave 3. It didn't took the high or the low. Oh my God, the low. So 3 and then 4 and a 5. Okay, so what we are still expecting is one wave up and then one more wave down, and that will hit perfectly the fib levels for a wave 2 and then explosion toward the upside, possibly, of course, in our very bullish scenario. So that was it for FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment. Trade safe. A lot of volatility today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.